myanya y'Minister yatayira haba harimo Kirumya Trading Center, Shumya Trading Center, Bumadu, Buhundu, Kirindi hamwe na campus zitirweho kureberera abantu aba ezirimo Semuric High School hamwe na Bubukwanga Transit Camp. Icyo yari yagira ngo sente zine zo kuyamba abantu abaferirwa babo kutebekana so kuzikwa kwabo hamwe n'ebindi.
I was sent here first of all to make an assessment of the problem, which I have done. I am going back to government with many suggestions that the local government and the local leaders have raised. I do not want to make any conclusive decision right now. The only thing that I was asked to come and remind them, which I have not mentioned to this, for all the people who were recovered and married, we are going to send 500,000 for the families.
Konko kuyabuza bw'ahanshonga yo kufurira abantu abakubiho mu myanya yo kukiza yakabi yagira ngo ayine kubanza yayebuza haruciko rukuru nuko heye report y'ijwire ecweru hona yashaba bakahona aho abakirahire kuzo mu campus zitirweho kwetero mu mutima kwenda ngo government kabo no muringo uguya kubayambamo.
It's a temporal intervention, but we cannot serve them wherever they choose. They just don't choose to stay where they want, then we reach there. No, it is Semuliki, it is Bubukwanga. That is important. They are telling me the support that we sent may not have been adequate. I want to make it abundantly clear that more support is even on the way.
Oguhona yayebaze minyete yatire magayo gona kureba ngo yaje n'abantu abakuzire kubiho mu matabaga obagumeze ngo chikahwera cyangwa mu kujuna amagara gabo bo bakabona aho baba benentekateka zitari kushana hanshonga yo kufurwa obwo bamwe bari kugira ngo kora nico baho government kabafurra teine kubateka heru ya district age kandi abamwe bari kucoreka kurungi ngo tibine nshonga nacho
because it is the government cutting the trees. Semuliki National Park is being cut down and they are blaming the people of Rwenzori for having cut the park down. So I don't move with that of trees, but this is actually a disaster which has come. We are calling upon their help.
Government tekola cheso bicho kugamba ngo tuve wano bundi bujo batutwale warara tubere wano batu tunonye government nonye fasendala eri wano bundi bujo abantu bava wano bundi bujo tibaija kusobola kuva wano kubatwala oba Fort Portal oba Kasese
because when you look at the way it is straightened, it can't be affected by much floods. If we are catered for at this camp and we are given everything, we can still be catered for, and we shall actually register that one as saving life to us.
Gasha kwa Jona Ntsingwire.